Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 5. Okay, please note students, this is a third meeting. The first was at Grooteskill, the second one was at Pretoria Old Residency, then this is the third one, okay? On the 20th of December 1991, there was a meeting at the World Trade Center in Kempton Park. What were the parties that actually attended the meeting? It is stated that 19 major political parties attended that meeting, except for 2 that refused to attend it. And those were the PAC and the CP. One may be wondering which party was the CP. The CP was Conservative Party. Please don't confuse this one. One can easily think CP also stood for Communist Party. Somebody can think of that. No, please wait, note this one, that CP in history refers to the Conservative Party. The Communist Party was never called CP. It was actually called CPSA, which is Communist Party of South Africa, or SACP, right? What was the purpose for the meeting? The purpose for the meeting was to trash out a new political dispensation for South Africa, to actually iron out, this new route which they were about to take and the direction thereof. What followed also in the meeting was the formation of CODESA, which is Convention for Democratic South Africa. So CODESA was actually formed in that meeting. CODESA continued to sit until May 1992 under the chairmanship of 2 judges by the name of Ismail Mohammed and Piet Joubert. A document called the Declaration of Intent was also signed at that meeting. One of the points agreed upon in that meeting was to bring about an undivided South Africa, one nation sharing common citizenship, loyalty, etc. The parties signing the intent were also aiming to pursue, amidst their diversity, freedom, equality, and security for all. Tata Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was the first to sign the Declaration of Intent. As it is stated in our exemplar question, amongst the possible questions, that the road to democracy was never an easy one. It was a stop-start journey. Even here, not all parties actually signed the intent. For example, the 2 parties that were absent obviously did not sign. The Conservative Party, the PAC, the Inkatha Freedom Party also did not sign. AZAPO also did not sign. One may be wondering why these parties did not sign. These parties were dissatisfied over different issues. To begin with, the CP, Conservative Party, and the Inkatha Freedom Party, they did not want the very thing called freedom. So they were against the talks. That's the reason why they did not sign. The Conservative Party and the Inkatha Freedom Party. They still enjoyed apartheid and saw no need for change. But what about the other parties? The PAC and the AZAPO had their own reason for opposing the action or the process. What was their reason? They were opposed to this process of negotiations as they did not trust it. They felt it was not going where they actually wanted it to go. They doubted whether the negotiation process would really bring fruits. Even Chris Hani was at first skeptical about joining the process, as he also did not trust it, but he decided to be part of it just to make sure it succeeds.